Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to show you how to play The Hill I Will Die On by Alec Benjamin. And this is basically a demo version. It's completely played on the piano, and I tried my level best to interpret the chords going over there. And here it is, and I think it's likely 99.7% correct. So let's get started. We don't have any capo for this song. As you can see, sharp tuning and likely the same chord progression, 6 chord progression going throughout the whole song. So let's have a look at these easy chord shapes and then the rhythm. Firstly, E minor 0 2 2 0 0 0. Next chord is a C major, which is mute 3 2 0 1 0. Then we have a G, which is 3 2 0 0 0 3. And even if you add another 3 on the B string, it hardly matters. Then a D major, which is mute 0 2 3 2. A minor, which is mute open second first open, and we are done. A disclaimer, guys, make sure to subscribe because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers. I was already in the way, and likely I should have been at least at 1.6k subs, but something actually happened to my channel. I'm sure about that. I even sent some mails to YouTube. That thing actually stopped today. It was happening till like for 5-6 days. I saw that at a certain time. I saw that there was just a small, not small obviously, like 50 subscribers decrease, and that worried me a lot. But since now I have made more security in my channel, like I just changed our password, I did all the stuff which was required to do, and obviously send one mail to YouTube, and YouTube is actually working on that. So that's actually a bad news for me, and that worried me obviously a lot because I was just about to reach 2,000 subscribers, because I made my way till 1.65k. I'm sure about that, 1.65k subscribers. So I lost a huge number of subscribers for this thing, for this shit actually. So never mind, don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. We have the chord progression, which will be a E minor. The first line of chord will be a E minor, then an A minor, then a G, and we repeat the G for 2 bars. So we got 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. The next line is pretty similar. We start off with the E minor, 1 2 3 4. We move on to the D major, 1 2 3 4, and we move on to C major and play it for 2 bars. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. Now you can actually just go with 1 down on each chord for the verse, because there's nothing much to learn in this song. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. C, 1 down, 3 4. Go to a E minor, come back to a D, play a C, and rest for another bar. And that's almost everything for this part. If you just want to make the rhythm a bit more fancy, you can just do. Now the rhythm goes like this: 1 2 3 4, go 1 2 3 4, go 1 2 3 4. It's like 1 2 3 4 1. So we have that accent on that third beat. So we have 1 2 3 4. So therefore we're just gonna follow the normal down string pattern. We're just gonna do down on the 1, down on the 2. But on the third down, we are basically strumming a bit louder. Like on the previous downs, we just mainly strummed a bit slower. We likely focused on strumming mainly the top string, but this down strums the whole chord and it's a bit louder. So it's like 1 2 3 4, and that goes once for each chord. But since the G at the end and the C at the end of the second line, we have it for 2 bars. We're just gonna play the string pattern 2 times. So let's play that: 1 2 3 4. Same chord progression. Very sorry. 1 2 3 4. Now what you can do is you can even add another up when you're just changing to the next chord. So it will be like down 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 up 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 down down up down 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 up everything for this lesson. Make sure to drop me one of these if this helped you out. Drop me a comment down below any song that you want on guitar, and I'll see you guys back in my next video. Till then, bye.